everyone! Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. If you're listening while walking, cooking, cleaning, or pretending to study English, welcome!
Yes, or maybe you opened this video and said, "Today I will finally speak English fluently." We see you.
I'm Jessica.
And I'm Mike, and today's topic is super important for beginners.
Yes, we're talking about one big problem that stops people from speaking English confidently.
And that problem is translating in your head.
Exactly. If you're thinking, I first think in my language, then translate into English, this episode is for you.
Don't worry, you're not alone. Almost every English learner does this at the beginning.
Yes, even smart students, even people who know grammar well.
But today, we'll show you how to stop translating and start thinking in English, step by step.
Let's start with why translating is a problem.
Good idea. Why is translating a problem? Sounds helpful, right?
It feels safe, comfortable, but it's slow.
Very slow.
Imagine someone asks, "What did you eat today?"
Simple question.
But in your head, first you hear it in English, then translate into your language, think of your answer in your language, translate it back to English, and then speak.
By that time, the other person is already waiting like,
Yes. And you feel nervous.
you forget words you actually know.
Then you think, my English is bad.
But the truth is, your English is not bad. Your method is the problem.
Exactly. And you know what happens next?
What happens?
You start avoiding conversations. You stay quiet in meetings. You don't answer when someone speaks to you in English.
Because you're thinking too much.
Yes, your brain is working like a computer with too many programs open at the same time.
Exactly. It gets slow, it freezes, and sometimes it just shuts down.
And that's when you say, "Sorry, I don't speak English well."
But actually, you do speak English. You're just translating, and translation kills your speed.
It also kills your confidence.
100%. I've seen students who know thousands of words, but they can't have a simple conversation.
Because they're stuck in translation mode.
Right. So let me ask you something, Jessica.
Go ahead.
When you speak English now, do you translate?
Not anymore, but I used to.
Really?
Oh yes. When I was learning, I would translate every single word.
How did you stop?
I realized something important. Translation makes me think like a tourist in English.
What do you mean?
Like I'm visiting English. I'm not living in it.
Oh, I love that. You're a tourist, not a resident.
Exactly. And tourists always need a map, right?
Yes.
That map is your native language. But if you want to live in English, you need to stop using the map.
So good. Okay, let's talk about children for a moment.
Yes, this is very important.
When a child learns English or any language, do they translate?
No, never.
A child doesn't hear apple and think, oh, apple means Seb in my language.
They see the apple, hear apple, and connect apple equals apple. No translation needed.
So our goal is to do the same, even as adults.
Not perfect like a child, but close.
Now, some people say, but Mike, I'm not a child anymore. My brain is different.
True, our brains are different, but they're also very powerful.
Adults can learn languages faster than children if they use the right method.
Yes, because we understand concepts. We can practice intentionally.
Children take years to speak fluently. Adults can do it in months.
if they stop translating.
Exactly. So let's get into the steps. Step 1. Think in simple English. Very simple.
Yes, not long sentences, not grammar rules, just simple thoughts.
For example, wake up in the morning. I am awake.
Go to the bathroom. I am brushing my teeth.
Look outside. It is sunny or it is cold.
These small sentences train your brain to think in English naturally.
And here's the thing, you don't need to say these out loud if you're shy.
Just think them in your mind.
Your brain doesn't know the difference between thinking and speaking.
True, thinking is like silent practice.
So every moment of your day becomes English practice.
You're in the kitchen. I am making tea.
You open the door. I am going outside.
You see a dog. That is a dog.
Simple, right?
Very simple, but powerful.
Let's do a small practice together.
Yes, repeat softly or in your head with us. Ready?
I am sitting.
I am listening to English.
I want to speak English.
I am learning.
This is easy.
I can do this.
See? No translation needed. Your brain understands directly.
And if you did translate just now, that's okay.
Don't be hard on yourself. This is a process.
Every day, you'll translate a little less.
Step 2. Stop caring about perfect grammar.
This is hard for many learners, especially grammar lovers.
I know. Grammar is important, yes, but don't let it stop you from speaking.
Native speakers make mistakes all the time.
All the time.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's human.
If you say, yesterday I go market, people understand. Communication works.
Exactly. Communication is more important than perfection.
Think about it. If someone says to you in your language, "Where is train station?" with a mistake,
You still understand. You don't say, "Sorry, I can't help you because your grammar is wrong."
no, you help them. You understand the meaning.
Same in English. People care about your message, not your grammar.
Now, I'm not saying grammar is useless.
No. Grammar helps you sound better.
But first, you need to speak, then improve grammar later.
First, build the house, then paint it.
Perfect analogy.
Let's do a short role play.
Okay,
I'll be the learner this time.
and I'll be your friend.
Hey Mike, yesterday I go market and buy fruits.
Oh, nice. What fruits did you buy?
Apples and bananas, very fresh.
Awesome. Did you buy anything else?
No, just fruits. Oh, and some milk.
Cool. See, listeners, did you notice?
Jessica said, I go, instead of I went.
But I understood everything. The conversation flowed.
No confusion, no problem.
That's real communication.
Now, over time, you'll learn to say, I went, but don't let grammar fear stop you from starting.
Step 3. Use English in your life, not just books.
Yes, many learners use English only for exams.
But English is a life skill. Use it in daily life.
On your phone, your thoughts, your routine,
Change your phone language to English.
your social media, your apps, everything.
At first, it feels weird.
Very weird.
But after 1 week, you start understanding automatically.
You see settings every day. Now you know settings.
You see notifications, now you know it.
No textbook needed. You learn by living.
If you're hungry, I am hungry. If tired, I need rest. If angry, I am angry.
Simple emotions, simple words.
And here's a fun challenge. Try to describe your feelings in English.
Ooh, good one.
Not just I am happy. Go deeper. I feel happy because the weather is nice.
Or I feel tired because I worked all day.
See, you're thinking and explaining in English.
No translation. Direct connection between feeling and words.
Here's a funny truth. When you start thinking in English, you feel a little strange.
Yes.
You think, why am I talking to myself in English?
And you look around like, did anyone hear me?
Totally normal. It means you're improving.
I remember when I started doing this, I was in the supermarket.
What happened?
I was thinking in English, I need to buy eggs. Where are the eggs?
In your head.
Yes, in my head. And then I accidentally said it out loud.
Oh no.
The person next to me looked at me like, are you okay?
That's amazing. That's the sign. When English starts coming out naturally, even by accident.
Exactly. It means your brain is switching.
Step 4. Speak even when you're alone.
Gold tip. Speak in your room, kitchen, or while walking.
Talk about what you see. This is my room. My bed is here. My phone is on the table.
The wall is white. I have 2 windows. My laptop is on the desk.
No one is judging you. Confidence grows.
And you know what's great? You can make mistakes in private.
Yes, safe environment.
You can say a sentence 5 different ways and see which one sounds better.
You become your own teacher.
Now, some people feel embarrassed to talk to themselves.
I get it. It feels silly at first.
But think about it. Actors do it. Athletes do it.
Anyone who wants to improve does it.
Practice alone equals perform well in public.
Another tip, narrate your actions like you're in a movie.
Ooh, I love this.
I am walking to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I take out the juice. I pour it into a glass.
It sounds silly, but it works.
Your brain learns sentence structure naturally.
And you're using real vocabulary from your real life.
Not textbook words like the cat is on the mat.
Exactly. Real life words.
Let me share a secret. I still do this.
Really?
Yes, when I'm learning a new language, I narrate everything.
See, listeners, even teachers do this.
Because it works.
Okay, now let's talk about one more thing. Don't panic when you forget a word.
This is so important.
You're speaking English, everything is going well, and suddenly, blank.
You forget a simple word.
What do you do?
Many students stop completely. They switch back to their language.
Or they say, sorry, I can't speak English.
No, don't do that.
Instead, describe the word.
Use other English words to explain.
For example, you forget the word spoon.
You can say, the thing you use to eat soup.
People will understand.
Or they'll help you. Oh, you mean a spoon.
Yes, exactly. And now you learned it in context.
You'll never forget it again.
This technique is called circumlocution.
Fancy word.
Yes, but simple idea. Talk around the word.
It keeps you in English mode.
No translation needed.
Finally, remember, you do not need perfect English to speak.
You need practice, you need courage, and you need to stop translating.
Think simple. Think English. One sentence at a time.
Start today, not tomorrow, today.
When you finish watching this video, try it.
Look around your room and describe one thing in English.
Just one thing, out loud or in your head.
Tomorrow, describe 2 things.
Next week, describe your whole morning routine.
Baby steps, small progress every day.
And remember, it's okay to feel uncomfortable.
Uncomfortable means you're growing.
If it feels easy, you're not challenging yourself.
But if it feels hard, you're on the right path.
We believe in you.
We really do. Every person listening right now.
You can speak English fluently.
You just need to change your method.
Stop translating. Start thinking.
If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, and practice thinking in English today.
Leave a comment and tell us what you will describe in English today.
We'd love to hear from you.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.